Hi everyone, this is Olusojadomi, and today I'm going to show you how to create a badge in Moodle. Badges are awarded to students for motivating them for the completion of activities. Teachers can award course badges for tasks within courses. In this session, we will take a look at how teachers can award badges. Some requirements that must be met before awarding badges. The first is to set activity completion criteria for each activity. The second is to set course completion criteria for the course. That is, if badges must be given at the end of the course. And the third will be to design your badge in Paint or PowerPoint or any other software, or you download it from moodlebadges.com. Now let's see how this plays out. Now you can access the badges settings from either the navigation pane, or you can scroll down to the site administration. And if you click on site administration, scroll down to badges. And here you have the badges settings, the manage badges, add a new badge, backpack settings, and manage backpack. Now, but before we can attach a badge to any of the activities, we'll have to first of all go to that activity and set a criterion. Now, the badge can be attached to both of these activities or either of the activity. Now, what I want to do is to attach the badge to this end of session quiz. So let's say this is end of session quiz. I want to set a criterion for this quiz. So what I need to do is click on edit button and click on edit settings, where you have grade. And here, the grade to pass is set at 0.00. Now I've put a 10 questions quiz here. And I want to say if anyone gets 7 out of 10, he gets a badge for that brilliant performance. Okay. And when that is done, all I need to do is scroll down and click save and return to course. Next, you go to the navigation pane and click on badges. And at this instance, there are no badges available. So what you need to do is to click on add a new badge. And here you are provided with a form. All you need to do is to provide details for the fields. So we could say the name is gold participant. So this badge is for gold participants. And because this training is one of a kind, and it's the first time it's holding, so we could say it's version 1.0. And the language is English. Of course, you can click the arrow before it and select your preferred language. Now, under description, we need to enter the information that we want the badge to carry. So we could say this badge is presented to you for your brilliant performance. In the end of session quiz. Congratulations. You have been awarded a 5-star badge. All right. Once that is done, we'll need to go to the image field and click choose a file. So click on the file to upload. And here we're going to search for, I've already downloaded some badges. So this is a 5-star badge that I've downloaded. So you click on open and it's brought in. You can name it as 5-star. And next, you click on upload this file. Now, these are the accepted file formats. And this training is conducted under the overview of our distinguished professor. So we can put that as the author's name. All right, and these are optional fields. We leave all this. Now the next is to go to the badge expiry column. And here we could see that we could set this badge for a fixed date. So it could expire at a particular time of the year, or we could say it will never expire. So either way, it goes. So either of the two is fine, depending on what you want to achieve. And then the next thing to do is to click on create badge. The badge has been created, but the criteria for the badge have not been set up yet. So what we need to do is to add a badge criterion. And so in this wise, you could see there are so many options. So, but the quiz and activity that we're looking at now. So these are my activities on the course page. And I want to add the badge to the quiz. So I'm going to click on the quiz. Of course, the badge could be given at the end of the course, but I'm only applying it to a particular activity, which is the quiz. And a timeline has been set. But at this instance, I want to say if anyone finishes before the 15th and scores a 7 out of 10, then of course, the person is going to be awarded this badge. Now, coming to this criterion section, if you click on it, you're going to be provided with two options. Do you want this badge to be given when all of the selected activities are completed, or when any of the selected activities is complete? Now, it's going to be any because it's only quiz that I'm interested in here. And so when that is clicked, click on save. Then it says this badge is currently not available to users. You need to enable access if you want the users to earn this badge. So enable access if you want to make it available. And then click continue to confirm. So as you can see, access to the badges was successfully enabled. But here, you could see that the badge is attached to the quiz, which must be completed by the 15th of August, 2020. And if you look up here, you see that there are no recipients. It says the badge has not been earned yet. So the next thing to do is to click on Manage Badges. So you can see this is the badge for gold participants. A number of badges available here is 1, available to users who complete this quiz by 15th of August, 2020. Recipient, there are no recipients. And so you can see by the time this is completed, the number of recipients that have earned this badge will be shown here. So I hope with these few steps, you're able to get 1 or 2 things on how you can attach a badge to an activity in a course or to the whole course after completion. Thank you.